Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, my friends. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another update of the Kisho. My friends, Kisho is the future gem. My friends, the current price of the Kisho in the market is 0.000001 USD dollar. That is the current price of the Kisho in the market. On the other side, if we talk about the price changes of the Kisho, so my friends, you already know about the Kisho that every chain open the Kisho is positive the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week. Changes of the Kisho is positive now in the market, my friends. And my friends, why I love Kisho? Because the price of Kisho is very low, my friends. And absolutely, if you look the jump of the Kisho, so massive jumps, massive. Now Kisho is back up, my friends. Kisho explode. Positive 22.63% the price of the Kisho increase. My friends, invest now in a Kisho, my friends. If you invest in a Kisho, so you will get good amount of profit, my friends. That will make you millionaire, that will make you rich if you invest in a Kisho for 1 month. Just invest now, my friends. My friends, you can see from the price chart that's also clear the future of Kisho. You know what, they start jumping, and I hope that they continue this jump for the next 1 week, 2 weeks. I'm clear about that. Invest more and more in the Kisho, and if you are a holder of the Kisho, so please hold it. Hold to the last of month, my friends. You get profit, not loss, if you hold Kisho to the last of month. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your prediction about Kisho? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.